Well, hello there, everybody. My name is Tony Grillo. Welcome to my channel, Wisconsin Hugs. And one of my favorite places to be, the dog park here in Cudahy, Wisconsin, which is just a little bit south of Milwaukee. And there's DJ, my dog. And just got off work at my Walmart job, and that is going well. I seem to be learning my job. I'm working in the claims department, and I'm also handling like a lot of the shipping, receiving, and stuff like that, and getting everything processed, everything that comes in through the door. I'm getting it into the system and learning their system and generating reports, like they call it 3-day reports, anything that where they track high ticket items that come in off their trucks. And so anyways, I'm learning all about inventory control, which is kind of what I went to school for way back when I was in college. I was kind of hoping to go into business field, and I got my CDL at the same time, and I wound up for a little while there. I right out of college, I was working in management and sales, and then when that place went belly up, I had to start back over again, and I had my CDL, so I was driving truck, and I wound up stuck driving truck for like 25 years, and then had the stroke, and almost 3 months ago, getting close to the 3 months sign now. And then I was forced to have to change things up a little bit with my life. I'm enjoying, as a truck driver, you would get your 40 hours in like your second or third day of work, during the week. I don't miss the long hours. I really don't. I actually like 40-hour weeks. I like going home every day. But, the paycheck is half of what I was making when I was driving truck. But I think what I gain in benefits, as far as I've dropped like 40 pounds in the past 3 months, and so and then I'm home. I get to see my girlfriend every day, and that really helps out the relationship. And we've actually done some fun things. Like we went on a fun date. We saw that large Christmas maze light show that was just south of Milwaukee, over in what was it, Greenfield, or I think it was Greenfield or Greendale. I can't remember which city that was. Franklin, might have been Franklin, one of those cities there. But at the baseball park where the Milkmen play. Anyways, that was a lot of fun, and got to do some things there. But I got a kick at, I don't want to zoom in too far, but because I haven't asked for permission to film them. But I just got here, and that little girl, she's like, can I pet your dog? And my dog loves little kids. And I'm like, sure. And then that gentleman here, he has a dog. His dog is, where is his dog? Oh, right there by his feet. And his dog, and she goes, oh, I've seen your dog before, and there's my dog. My dog loves kids. And so she's like, I remember your dog. And he goes, well, if you remember my dog, what was my dog's name? And she goes, I forgot the name. And he goes, well, I'll tell you the story about, me and my dog, And apparently, he said she fell out of heaven and walked into his garage, and that's how he became. That's how he met his dog. She was a stray, and he named her Angel. If you probably would have figured it out, that was the name he gave his dog. He called the dog Angel because at that time he was all alone. His wife passed away, and he just lives by himself, and there's this dog, this shaggy, hungry, starving dog that walked into his garage, and he did put out notices with the Humane Society, and he put out some other notices, and nobody claimed the dog. So he got to adopt the dog, and the dog's been his dog ever since. But yeah, he calls the dog Angel, and it was kind of funny because he was talking that lady's, I think this lady is her grandmother, because her mom's probably working, so she's probably staying with her grandma, and she said apparently those two were talking, and I don't know if there's any flirting going on there between the two. I don't know. That'd be interesting. He is kind of, back in his day, he told me some stories about himself. He was kind of a one of those very suave, handsome young men who, you know, he didn't have any problem with the ladies back in his day, he was telling me. And here's my dog. So anyways, and I forgot his name, but he's always here at the park all the time. Super nice guy, him and his dog Angel. It's kind of funny when you're here, I know the dog's names before I know the owners. Like, I'll say, oh, that's Angel's owner, you know, or that's you know, that's that dog over there, I forgot his name, but maybe that's Mitz's owner, or maybe that's, you know, a dog there he's here every day too, chasing balls. He loves to chase balls. And then my dog likes to chase him when he runs and chases his ball. So, but yeah, she was like, that young girl was like, hey, your dog's pooping, your dog's pooping, your dog's pooping. And finally the guy's like, oh man, you know, I'm never gonna find it. I'm never gonna find it. She goes, I'll show you where it is. And he's like, she's like, if I show you where it is, you're gonna give me $1? And I had to laugh because that was hilarious. He's like, yep. He said, I'll give you $1 if you can show me where Angel pooped. So Angel poops are worth $1, people. If you ever see any Angel poops, it's worth $1. So, is this dog ready? Is he ready to go home yet or not?
Well, he's not, but he's going home anyway.
Oh, yeah. What's your dog's name?
This is Bodie.
Bodie. Yeah, I see Bodie all the time. So, yeah, Bodie's a good dog. Sometimes he's not too sure what to do about my dog. But that's all I got for everybody here on my channel. But I just want to say, I haven't been on here in a while, but I just want to say I'm doing really well. Walmart's going well. I don't really have any Walmart stories going on. That one gentleman I was talking about that one time, where I was kind of giving him some dating advice, helping him with his dating profile and all that. I also introduced him to a friend of mine that I knew, but apparently nothing happened between those two. So there was no love connection. I didn't get to be a what do they call it? A matchmaker. I failed in my one attempt to be a matchmaker. But so anyways, that's all I got for you. So take care. Have a great day.